horsey, and he's waiting at the gate, 'cause he wants some yummy treats. Yes.
The absolute sweetest.
The absolute sweetest little baby ever.
You're not coming home with us. Think you could drive this? No.
Here's my boy. Let's see.
Come on, Greenie. Come on. My favorite pastime.
So they don't want to stand still. They don't even, it doesn't compute with them. It's like move, 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 move. And if you watch races, you see like as they're boosting the jockey up on the horse, legging him up, you see the horse is literally walking already. Yep. Good boy.
Feels like we've been trying to get this to happen for a really long time. Hello, dear. Look what I found.
What did you find?
A random dime.
So we find dimes all the time at Ryan.
Dime bag Daryl coming to see us. The work is never done.